It's a lovely day, mate.
Yeah.
It's 1st of June and there's not a cloud in the sky. What should we do?
Go camping!
Yay! Let's go on a camping adventure.
Yes!
What are you looking forward to the most?
Swimming.
Water shoots.
Sleeping in my comfortable bed chair.
Cracking open a beer. Sitting in the sunshine. My big fat belly hanging out. Looking forward to that.
Welcome to another adventure. This is the Richie cam. Yeah. So we've put all the camping gear in the boot, and I did some work too. Are you getting angry?
Hungry. So hungry, I'm angry.
Oh, classic dad.
What happened to your two front teeth, Rich?
They fell out. I bet we can have a great time. Oh, only 5 minutes left. I'm just so happy. Yay! Good view. I missed it here.
Someone's lost some teeth.
Me. Man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, same here, starving moment. And, welcome to another episode of Boy vs Food. Today Richie's going to beast the biggest burger you've ever seen. Eat it, eat it. Nearly done it. Go on, you can do it. One piece left. Can he do it? Oh my god.
That is how you eat a burger.
Gone.
Set up the tent, my bed. It's a fishing bed, but we can use it as a camping bed as well. It's really comfy.
Yeah.
It's just so comfy. I don't know how to explain it.
This young boy, I've never seen a suitcase before. Is he clever enough to work out it's got 2 zips and only one of them gets into the main compartment?
What? What? What is that for? That's useless. I'm going to do some easy uppies.
That'd be good.
We had lots of fun today. Packing up was a bit stressful for Dad. Snug as a bug. In a rug. Time for bedtime.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe the video, else you'll miss out.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Richie's not in his bed. He's playing tennis.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. We're up at 6 AM.
Let's go get some water. Make a nice cup of tea.
I woke Daddy at 6 o'clock. We had lots of fun. We played tennis, went swimming, tried out the awesome water shoots, and had a nice bit of breakfast. And it's a beautiful day, and we're gonna go to the fun fair. Let's go! This is the moment I've been waiting for. We're going to the fun fair! fun. It was so fun. We're gonna go on the hook and dance.
So, go on, lift it up. That's it. Go on, lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up. Yay!
That's a lucky winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Any prize, anything you like. There you go.
All right. How'd you go at the arcade, mate?
Good. I played this 2p machine. These are what I won. Make sure to like the video and subscribe or else you'll miss out on my adventures. You've got to come here one day. This fun fair is awesome.
What are we going to do now?
We're going to go back to the camp.
What's cooking good looking?
Bacon and egg sandwich.
Mmm. How's your sandwich?
Good.
What time is it, Rich?
It's time for a bike ride.
Let's go.
We've just had an awesome day. Now we're gonna go and get some dinner. We'll see you a bit later.
Got to go home tomorrow. Wah, 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 wah.
Oh, dang it.
Richie would actually live here. It's that good.
Yep.
Yeah. Richie's had an amazing time. I've had an amazing time. We just wish we stayed a bit longer. But yeah, it's highly recommended, this place. It really
This
is.
place is 1,000 out of 10.
Yeah. 1,000 out of 10
Yep.
for Richie's adventures.
This is awesome here. You've got to come here.
Morning.
Morning. Last day today. Let's go and have some fun. I want to come back here one day. Again and 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 forever. The best camping adventure ever. Make sure to like and subscribe the video or else you'll miss out. We're going to pack up now and have one more cup of tea and we'll see you on another adventure. Thanks for watching.